Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to create a lead magnet using Wix, so you can grow your email list, attract ideal clients, and build your cleaning, service, or online business without spending a fortune on fancy tools. First off, pick a valuable freebie your audience wants. It could be a checklist, template, guide, or discount. Make it useful and easy to download. Next, use Wix to design a simple landing page. Add a clear headline, benefits of your offer, and a call to action like download now. Here's a pro tip. Use Wix forms to collect visitor info before giving access to your freebie. Just link the form to your email marketing tool like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Don't forget, promote your lead magnet everywhere: social media, Google Ads, Instagram Stories, or even Thumbtack. Also, track performance using Wix Analytics to see how many downloads and signups you're getting. Should creating a lead magnet feel confusing? Not anymore. With Wix, it's fast, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?